Hello guys, it is me, the official Nate Adams YouTube channel. Sometimes when you move out of your mother's house you don't have anything to eat, but today I'm going to teach you how to make an omelette du fromage. Cooking is easy when you're not mentally challenged. Unfortunately I am. So first we are going to lay out our ingredients to make things easier: 2 eggs, cheese, milk, my dad's special relaxing juice, semen and Remy the rat. Next you plug in your microwave. My dad said I can't use the stove when he is away from home. So in a bowl you want to add in your dad's special relaxing juice. Oh hello. Satan? Who are you? You look like a gay furry.
Nate Adams, you were just chosen to be a part of this new season of Total Drama. We sponsored with the hit website Pornhub to now bring you new and exclusive content. Do you want to sign the contract?
Yeah sure, let me get my reading glasses first.
Baby, I don't understand this. Grilled cheese Obama sandwich.